Welcome to part 2 of our Automate Your Business Using Odoo 19 series. Once customer requirements are identified, the next step is managing the purchasing process efficiently. In this video, we'll explore the purchase module and learn how Odoo helps businesses manage vendors, create RFQs, process purchase orders, handle receipts, and manage vendor bills. Let's get started. The purchase module in Odoo provides complete visibility into your procurement process. The dashboard displays all requests for quotation, RFQs, along with their current status, whether they are in RFQ stage, RFQ sent stage, or confirmed as purchase orders. This gives a clear overview of all purchasing activities within the system. To create a new RFQ, click on the New button. You can select an existing vendor from the database or create a new vendor directly from the same screen. Vendor references can also be added if required. If a vendor agreement already exists, it will be automatically displayed. Next, add the products you want to purchase and specify the required quantities. You can also define the order deadline and expected arrival date. Odoo automatically calculates taxes, displaying the untaxed amount, tax amount, and total amount separately. Once all details are entered, the RFQ can either be sent to the vendor or directly confirmed as a purchase order. When sending an RFQ, vendor information is automatically populated, allowing the quotation request to be shared quickly and efficiently. After confirming the purchase order, a receipt option becomes available. This allows you to validate the quantity received against the quantity requested. Once the products are received, the receipt can be validated within the system. The next step is vendor bill creation. After uploading the vendor bill, verify the product details, quantities, and pricing against the purchase order. Once verified, enter the bill date and confirm the bill. This completes the purchasing cycle by linking the receipt and vendor bill to the purchase order. Odoo also provides a price comparison feature, which allows you to compare product prices across previous purchase orders and vendors. This helps businesses make better purchasing decisions and negotiate more effectively with suppliers. Under the Purchase Orders menu, all confirmed purchase orders are available, along with their billing status. Another important feature of the purchase module is purchase agreements. To create a purchase agreement, select the Purchase Agreement menu and choose the vendor. Odoo supports two types of agreements: blanket orders and purchase templates. A blanket order is used to establish purchasing agreements with a vendor for predefined quantities and prices. Purchase templates allow businesses to create reusable purchasing configurations for future transactions. Now, I'm choosing blanket order as the agreement type and adding the products. I'm selecting screw and setting the quantity to 100, which means I'm creating a purchase agreement for 100 units of screw. I'm also selecting bolt and setting the quantity to 30 units. The ordered quantity will be automatically populated in this field when purchase orders are confirmed, and we can also set the product prices here. Once all the details are entered, we can confirm the purchase agreement. From here, we can also create a new quotation by clicking the New Quotation button. The quotation will automatically include the details from the purchase agreement. We can update the quantity that we want to purchase from the vendor and then confirm the purchase order. After confirming the purchase order, I'm validating the receipt. When we return to the purchase agreement, we can see that the ordered quantity has been automatically updated based on the purchase order. This is how purchase agreements work in Odoo. Next, we have the Products menu. All products available in our database will be listed here. To create a new product, click the New button and enter details such as the product name, sales price, cost, and other required information. Under Reporting, we have Purchase Reports, which provide a complete overview of purchasing activities in the system. We can change the report measures to view information such as quantity billed, quantity ordered, or quantity received. This helps us analyze purchasing activities and generate detailed purchase reports within our database. So, this is about the purchase module. This concludes the purchase module. In the next video, we'll explore the sales module and learn how Odoo helps businesses manage quotations, sales orders, deliveries, invoicing, and customer payments. See you in the next lesson.